asking about hobbies. Olivia, what are you doing? I'm baking cookies. Do you want to try some, Evie? They'll be done in 10 minutes. Oh, thank you. That would be great. All right, let me clean up a bit. Is baking your hobby? I would say so. Yes, I bake a lot. That's fun. What about you? What are your hobbies? Me, I play football sometimes, but that's about it. Football, huh? That's pretty athletic. Yeah, I have two brothers. They have always brought me to play football with them since we were kids. Wow, I didn't know you have two brothers. That makes sense. They go to a different school from ours. I see. Do you have any hobbies other than baking? Oh, yes, I love singing. Wow, can I hear you sing sometimes? Haha, of course. But I'm not that good, though. My family always complains about me being too loud. I'm sure you're amazing at it. Hahaha, thanks. Mark, are you bored? Yes, you? I'm bored out of my mind. Should we find something to do? What thing? I don't know. What do you usually do for fun? I play a lot of sports football, basketball, volleyball. Today's too hot to play. Then I've no idea. What about you, Leo? What do you do for fun? Me, I like playing board games. That's cool. Which board games do you play? Something like Monopoly? I love Monopoly, but we can't play with only two people, right? I think we can invite Marcia and Rick over. Yeah? Don't they have to go to extra classes today? Nah, they're usually free on Sundays. That's great. Can you give them a call or should I do it? I can. No problem. Okay, class. Today is the last day of school before summer break. Are you guys excited? Yes, Miss Brown. My family and I are going to the beach this summer. That's very exciting, Joan. What about other people? What are you doing this summer? I'm probably not going anywhere. Just gonna stay at home and do usual things. Oh, yeah? Then what do you do in your free time, Kate? You know, reading books, watching movies, helping my parents cook. That's very nice, Kate. Thank you. I actually don't mind it too much. I love spending time with my family. Oh, that's so sweet. Troy, what about you? What are your plans? I don't have any yet, Mrs. Brown, but I won't be with my family because both of my parents have to go on a work trip. I'm sorry to hear that. But hey, spending time with your friends is also fun. I guess. Alright, that's the end of today's class and this semester. I wish you all a very enjoyable summer break.